Alright, today we're going to show you how to install our universal polymer heat shield, as you can see right here. Nice little design. This one is with 4 screws, Phillips, as you can see right here. Pretty easy build. I mean, it's not going to take you more than 2 minutes to do this. So all you do is you get your Phillips and you take out the screws. Alright. Now I'm installing it on a Mossberg 500 12 gauge. It does not fit the 20 gauge, just so you guys know. As you can see right here. Alright, so we get the heat shield. All you want to do is you want to line it up, and then you just slide it all the way back. Make sure it hits the back. Once you have that, what you want to do is turn it upside down, sliding the rings. Once you have both of them on, you line them up. Now make sure when you put in the screws, don't put them all the way in until you have everything lined up. Alright. Alright. Now you get the second one, slide it in, and you get the one screw. Get the back one. Once you have all 4, now you can tighten them all the way down. Now this is polymer, so don't overdo it. You don't want to use power tools on this. Use a regular Phillips. Once you have that, this is what you get.